My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my tube. I pretty much tell you everything I need to do in 3 minutes. This is an infomercial about me. If you want to know who I am, I've worked thousands of IRS cases, worked there 10 years. I've been in private practice for, 42 years. Go to my website at 777irs.com. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been on the national television many, many times. I have a big Facebook following because we do good work here. I want to tell you, many people, when I used to knock on doors as an IRS agent, show my commission, give out federal summons to appear and all, I did all my, IRS work there. The big thing about unfiled tax returns is everyone has this fear, this shock, this fright. They don't know what's going to happen. Well, let me tell you what's going to happen when IRS comes knocking, because there's a lot of people out there that say they know what, as an agent, I'm telling you, as a former agent, what's going to happen. So I found out most people do not file their tax returns after 2-3 years because they're afraid of IRS, and this fright comes in. They want to get back in the system. They don't know how to get back in the system. So what I want to do is tell you how to get back in the system. 2 ways: you hire someone like us or wherever you want, or you do this yourself. So let's go and put both strategies together so you understand how that's done. So if you don't have records, then you have to reconstruct your records. But what you first do is you pull the IRS transcripts up. Don't worry, IRS doesn't track this. You go to irs.gov and you pull your transcripts up. Now, you'll probably find out you didn't file, but you'll want to go into your wage and income transcripts, because IRS keeps all your income and wage information all in one transcript. You can get a printout on everything IRS has on you. So if you want to know if IRS is spying or what they know, just pull your transcripts up. That's everything they have on you. That begins the official record of filing your return. So don't worry. So you get that, and that's what you start with. That's boom. That's what you start with. So there may be no 1099s, there may be no W-2s, there may be some. So what you have to do first is reconstruct your income. So then you go to your bank statements. Well, let's say you have sketchy bank statements. Well, then you go to your cost of living analysis. Well, where did you live? Generally, if you pay rent or mortgage, generally, it's about 30% of your total income that comes in. There's there's different standards. I use 30%, so 70% goes to something else. So if I know where you rent, I've got a really good idea of how much income you're going to make. Is it perfect? No. But if you don't have records for 6 years, you have to do your best you can. So now I know, in fact, what your income is. It's no big deal. Then the next thing is you figure out, do you have expenses? Were you a sole proprietorship, a corporation, whatever? IRS has 9 approved methods statistically of backing into your expenses by industry standard. These companies have logged these together. IRS has approved them all. So if you're self-employed, we just put those from industry standards already accepted by IRS. So it's no big deal. What I'm trying to tell you, there is no big deal. It's bottom line. That's it. So what we do is we get your information, we pull the transcript up. We look at, take a couple surveys of where you've done, and we construct your returns. Then we go ahead and file a power of attorney with Internal Revenue Service, and all correspondence goes to us. Then when you have all your bills, then at that time we call IRS, give them a financial statement, and put you in either hardship, payment agreement, or you may be able to file an offer and compromise. It's very simple. The fear, it's like I went skydiving once. The fear of making the skydive was worse than the actual jump. Trust me, the fear going into this is greater than the actual jump. Stop the fear. Stop the fear. I can get you over the fear in a second. Call me if you need me. Give me a subscription. Now you know the inside of IRS. Thank you.